Why do some people look at a rainbow and see beauty, while others see physics, wavelengths, and light refraction? Why do scientists question things everyone else accepts as truth? The difference lies in how they think. And today, you'll learn the secret behind it: how to think scientifically. The mindset that shaped every great discovery from Newton to Einstein, from Darwin to you. Thinking scientifically doesn't mean wearing a lab coat or memorizing formulas. It's about asking why, again and again. It means observing without bias, questioning without fear, and being willing to admit, I might be wrong. Science is not about knowing everything, it's about being curious enough to find out. When a child asks, why is the sky blue? That's not just curiosity, that's the spark of scientific thinking. The same spark that led us to satellites, vaccines, and quantum physics. Let's break it down into 5 simple habits you can practice every day. 1. Observation. Start by truly seeing the world, not just looking at it. Notice patterns, changes, and details others ignore. Example: Newton didn't invent gravity, he just noticed an apple fall and asked why. 2. Questioning. Ask questions no one dares to. Why does this happen? How do I know it's true? Could there be another reason? Every breakthrough starts with a question. 3. Hypothesis. Form a logical guess about a possible explanation. You don't need to be right, you just need to test your idea. 4. Experiment. Test your hypothesis in real life. Try, fail, repeat. Because science is built on failure more than success. 5. Conclusion and reflection. Analyze what happened. Did the results support your idea? If not, great. You just learned something new. Scientific thinking isn't just for labs. It's a way of life. When you read the news, Kate will ask, where's the evidence? When someone makes a claim, like ask, how do they know? When you have a problem, like instead of reacting emotionally, observe, test, and find patterns. Even your daily habit, like improving focus, learning faster, or making decisions, can follow the same steps of experimentation. In a way, your life is your own personal laboratory. Remember, critical thinking is the vaccine against ignorance. True scientists are not afraid to doubt, even their own beliefs. Einstein once said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Doubt isn't weakness, and it's strength, because only when you question can you truly understand. That's the essence of scientific thinking. Curiosity guided by logic, open-mindedness balanced by evidence. The next time you see something ordinary, a glass of water, a leaf,